What's up, guys? I'm George.
And I'm Eddie.
So Eddie is my absolute best friend in the entire world, and we're always over at each other's houses doing each other's makeup, looking at foundations, different palettes, you know, everything that has to do with the makeup spectrum. And today we're gonna show you our fierce, fabulous, everyday makeup looks.
Now this may be every day, but I'm still giving you glam, honey. Boy brow, bold eye.
Oh, I love it. I'm gonna go for a glamorous summertime look that'll keep the boys turning heads and the girls whirring in their beds.
Ooh, girl.
You know, honey.
First step, foundation.
This is my Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer, and it has built-in sunscreen already in it, so I'm good to go out in the hot summer days in LA or wherever you are. It blends extremely well, and it almost looks like I'm not wearing any makeup at all, which is kind of ideal.
Today, I'm using Smashbox's full coverage studio finish.
Such a great one.
It's so good. The full coverage means I don't need to do any color correction if I've got any stubble
Love
or
it.
redness, and it's a really buildable product, which is something I really look for. Honey, clock this full coverage. See what I mean?
What beard, honey? We don't believe in beards. So honestly, Eddie, I'm really obsessed with this because it looks like I'm not wearing any makeup, and I feel like that is ideal. Look, you can't even tell. It blends in so nicely. Insane, huh?
Look, I don't need any color correction on my beard, and it's
Oh
just
my
covering
gosh.
up all that blue, honey. All that matte.
Dang. Boys at home, don't forget your ears. I always tell every boy that I meet that likes to do a little boy beat, don't forget the ears.
And you know what else they can't forget?
What?
The neck.
Oh, the neck is such a key point,
Honey,
honey.
pull it down.
Pull it down, don't be afraid. Bye-bye, redness. Hello, beautiful. Obsessed.
Now that the skin is prepped and ready, let's jump straight into eyeshadow.
Eddie, I really do feel so lucky that we are at a time where we can express ourselves and play with makeup. A couple
Every
years
day.
ago, it wasn't cool for boys to wear makeup.
Oh, absolutely not. It's happening at a rapid pace.
Honey, boys do it too.
I love like going into a Sephora and seeing all the boys on the posters. I just feel like there's little boys that are like going in there with their mom, and their mom doesn't know that they're into makeup. They're seeing boys and
Do
they're
you
realizing
remember
that
going
they can't.
into a Sephora with your mom when you were younger and looking at all the makeup and wanting to touch it so desperately, but worried you were gonna
pretending
get
to be
bullied
bored.
or made fun of? It's totally different now. We're so lucky. Do you ever just look at yourself in a mirror and say,
Damn. So contouring, super easy. You just need to remember the three. You get the forehead, you get the temple, and you come down into the cheek.
I like to think of highlight as your own personal photo box. So wherever you want to have light in your photo, you highlight it, girl. Last step, lipstick. Honey, you look smashing. That Smashbox foundation that you used is absolutely to die for. I'm obsessed with it.
The look would be nothing without a good foundation.
I completely agree. And I have to say, my look wouldn't be anywhere without the Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer. Flawless, honey.